It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Be careful to leave your sons well instructed rather than rich, for the hopes of the instructed are better than the wealth of the ignorant. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle: some things are within our control, and some things are not. The greatest obstacle to living is expectancy, which hangs upon tomorrow and loses today. It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows. Do not seek to have events happen as you want them to, but instead want them to happen as they do happen, and your life will go well. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. It is difficult to bring people to goodness with lessons, but it is easy to do so by example. No man is free who is not master of himself. You are not a prisoner of fate, but only of your own mind. The key to a good life is self-control. You are not your body and hairstyle, but your capacity for choosing well. It is the nature of the wise to resist pleasures, but the foolish to be a slave to them. The only way to gain self-control is through action. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. The whole future lies in uncertainty. Live immediately. The chief task in life is simply this: to identify and separate matters so that I can say clearly to myself which are externals not under my control, and which have to do with the choices I actually control. The most important thing is to have a good relationship with yourself. First learn the meaning of what you say, and then speak. When you are offended at any man's fault, turn to yourself and study your own failings. Then you will forget your anger. Things that are external to us are not under our